Hi, I'm Amir Virani, Business Support Service Specialist. I have attended high sales training programs and they add immense value to your life and business. On 9 Jan 2021, go on a journey with 6 sales masters like Mr. Devang Karya, Mr. Atul Puri, Mr. Virendra Ingle, Mr. Yogesh Udgari, Mr. Prakash Patna and Ms. Rekha Agase, who will share with the participants proven tactics, methods and strategies on how to accelerate growth, scale business and sell more in pandemic or no pandemic times. I recommend you to register for this High Sales Master Conference and learn how to make sales and selling easy. Register with code given below. See you at High Sales Masters Conference. Signing off, Amir Virani.